on 13 11 14. The Art Factory is putting on a new exhibition inspired by nature. The artists have the challenge of creating works inspired by the clean energy projects being rolled out by Transgrid.
For Alison Davis, painting is a time she can feel fully immersed.
It's a very healthy challenge to get what's in your heart and mind out into the world.
She's one of many artists at the Art Factory, a studio designed to support artists with disabilities.
So it's really about each one of those artists working towards creating their own visual language.
Thanks to a grant from Transgrid, the factory has been awarded almost $5,000 to put towards an eco-exhibition. An exhibition all online, helping to reduce the factory's environmental footprint. QR codes will be placed in prominent locations around Wagga.
Our next exhibition is called Eco Green, and it's a virtual exhibition. It's the first time we've ever done a virtual exhibition really like this.
Each of the works will be done by artists here in the factory, depicting Transgrid green energy initiatives in the local area. 14 pieces of art will be up on the exhibition page for the public to view. Artists will get their inspiration from Transgrid's environmentally friendly projects.
I do love nature, and recreating creation is a wonderful thing to do, and it shows off the beauty of this world.
The month-long exhibition will kick off in the coming months.
When the artist walks into this environment, they're just an artist. So they leave all those other labels behind and just become and work towards being that professional practicing artist.
Jacinta Coonahan, 7 News.
Still to come in